Illustration. A fish is 60 centimeter underwater. This is the water. Here is the fish, and this distance is given to us 60 centimeter. And refractive index of the water is given by 4/3. A bird directly overhead. Here is the bird. If the bird is at a distance 120 centimeter from the water surface, this distance is given to us 120 centimeter. What is the apparent position of the bird as seen by the fish from the interface? Now the light is traveling from the rare medium to the water. So we will say this is 2 number, this is 1 number. So mu2 by mu1 equal to real depth upon apparent depth. Mu2 is the air, that is 1. Mu1 is 4/3. So this 3 can come here. Real depth is 120. Apparent depth we have to calculate, that is x. So we will say 3x equal to 480. X is given by 160. So what is the apparent position? 60 plus 160, because it will move away. 160, bird will be seen here. So 60 plus 160, we will say this is a 220 centimeter. So right answer of the problem is 220 centimeter.